Washington, the driver of car that was crushed by a wind-down tree during last Friday's windstorm has died. Related stories: driver critically injured when wind-down tree lands on car in D.C. Washington, D.C. News. 50-year-old Paul Agbo of Maryland was traveling through a Northwest D.C. neighborhood when a tree landed on his car. Police say he died Wednesday. The tree fell in the 2500 block of 44th Street Northwest around 3:50 p.m., and it appeared that the car had been moving when the tree fell, said Vivo Magailo, a D.C. police spokesman said. It partially crushed the car, he said. Agbo was taken to the hospital with life-threatening injuries.